You asked, how to divide 1620 by 4 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 405.